Oh, it would have been nicer actually. Now I think that. What the hell, misjudging the spin? I mean the force. You people can feel my pain right now. I remember my promise. I remember my promise. Don't remind me once again. I know I said I'm gonna be playing Rags to Riches. You people know it by the title. But before that, I'm just gonna watch some insane gameplay that I have planned. I'm gonna say in the past 2 weeks or something. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Starting off by going for this red ball like this. Not a bad shot. Not a bad shot. And second, oh, this is gonna be difficult, guys. Top middle pocket. I actually forgot. Did I make this or not? I definitely did. Oh! So it actually collided with the white ball if you look carefully. Now it is going to be a double. Oh my god, even a how will this? Wow, what a shot! But I put the cue ball along with that, which was bad. And he also said, will you marry me, for some weird reason, which I still don't know today. Trick shot, bottom left. Smooth. It did not even touch any rail, I mean the black ball. I just went for this. He said pool in that binary language, so I am also going to say that. Now I'm going to go for the brown ball in the bottom left. If anyone is new to this channel, subscribe right now. What are you doing? It is going to go inside. Not that smoothly, but it did go inside. Now what happened? Oh, so he's going to attempt this shot, guys. Right rail. He was very close. He was actually very close, but he instead pots that. Now I'm going to go for this. Watch this. Very quick calculation. What else to say? I mean, what more to say? But that was very dope, whatever that thing was. Now I think we're going to jump on to the next game. Oh, orange ball again in direct bank shot. Not bad. Red ball in the top left pocket. There we go. Now there's going to be a cut in the video. Yeah. Oh! Oh, sorry. Sorry for shouting. Just check this shot. That is what I'm talking about. Fully upgraded. My aim is enhanced. What a perfect chat pack also to say after such a shot. Now, oh, he's going to make this. Watch this shot, guys. This is going to be a knuckle shot, and it's going to be pretty dope. Full force he's going to use. Nice shot. Once again, going to keep the phone and clap. Very nice. He's very happy after making that shot. I said going offline. Did I play again? No, I actually went offline. Top middle pocket trick shot. Yes, touch the bottom rail, right rail, and again smooth as butter once again. This time smooth as milk or something. Alright. Watch this fail. I'm going for the top left pocket in the black ball, on the black ball, and every single time I watch this, I kind of laugh, man. I mean, I was trying for it, but the final shot. This is the final shot, guys. I'm not hyping this up. It deserved the hype. It did deserve the hype. Enough of this thing. This is it. 48 million. I think the last time I messed up, I was at nearly 100 million or something. I have never hit 100 million on this account. Yeah, I think I'm kind of sure. But I'm gonna go. Should I go to Berlin as the first game? Let's do it. I don't even know if it's gonna be my break or not. I'm not doing the break trick. Is the game recording? Yes, it is. Is the sound on? Yes, it is. And Nicholas is over here. When I need the break the most, it's not gonna be my break. He's on a 3-win streak. He's a nice player. I don't know if it's a fact or not, or it just feels this way that when you really need to win, if I'm gonna lose this game, I will be down to 3 million coins. If you really need it, the game goes against you. This is something I've noticed, guys. Alright, so let's go for it. I'm already kind of very disappointed right now, and I'm not gonna put anything on the break. Yeah. No, say it's my mistake. No. Oh, yes, it is. I thought he's gonna miss the shot, but still it's not gonna be my chance because I'm playing the game. Now this is actually, I'm not gonna lie, a nice chance for me to win this game. I should be able to win this. I'm not saying that I will win this, definitely, but I should be able to win this. That's my point. Let's go for this yellow, add left spin. Yeah. Getting rid, I mean, it might be looking very easy, these 4 balls, but clearing them is kinda skillful. I mean, requires some skill. Alright, so definitely, we are gonna win this game. Well, no. Unless and until I do the bank shot successfully, I cannot say that we are gonna win this game. So let's go for this blue. The bank shot needs to be... Where are my chat packs? Now I'm gonna go for the red. My god, can I go for the black is the question. Wish me luck. One more. Let's risk it. Now the good thing, because I was playing with the legendary cube, because I started off with 28 million and I mean 48. It's not my break. Who's this? Noob from Indonesia with the glitch cube. Yeah, please do the best break in history. Yeah, he's gonna go for solids. And when I got the break, I did not put anything on that. Just be quiet everyone. Very crucial moment. I'm gonna plan the game out because this requires my 100%. I hope so what I just planned will work out. Let's see if my plan is correct or not. I still don't know. Anything might happen. It would have been nicer actually. Now I think that... What the hell, misjudging the spin? I mean the force. You people can feel my pain right now. What you just saw is one of the best moments in 8-ball pool ever. I can guarantee this. Yes, now I can even more confidently guarantee that that was one of the best moments, not only on this channel but in the history of 8-ball pool. Incredible win. I cannot believe I just cannot believe how I made that shot under that pressure as well. What he went to, what happened? Waiting for your opponent's response. My mind is saying that it was not my break the previous time and the previous to previous time, if I'm correct or not. I'm not exactly sure, so it should be this time, but let's see. Oh, it is. But the thing is, when I got the break the first time in this video, I did not pot anything on that, and watch me scratch. Watch me pot the cue ball this time. Okay, I do pot something, and I am gonna... Wow, what a... I said, watch me pot the cue ball, and I did pot it! I'm literally feeling like crying. I always act, but this is way too much. What, man? I even got the break, but I still... Okay. Looks like he's an angel from heaven or something. I have to go for the purple ball in the last, and I think I know how we're gonna win this game. Yeah. I'm gonna go for the blue now. Let me a little top spin, not a lot, little. And yes, now I'm gonna go for the yellow, but I have to be a bit careful when I'm gonna go for the yellow. Not actually, it's pretty. Yes. Is it good? But I will still not be at 100 million. Oh, for a moment I thought I used less force than needed, but that was not the case. How many coins am I at? I'm kind of curious. It should be 90 something. Alright, so I need 7 million coins to complete this series. I will do that not in this video, but in the next time I will be playing it. Right now I'm going to play a couple of matches. Don't worry, the video is not going to be over. Did you guys see? I was actually, not playing, because of some outside noises. Wait, do I have more? Yeah. And I was like, let's actually go and play this. And now that the noises, it was basically noises were coming from my neighbor's home, you know, and I don't know for what reason, and I don't want to know the reason. So I was playing some lucky shot, and I got 60 cash, which is pretty happy, which is a nice thing, And I'm gonna go one last game, which is gonna be a celebration match, because a lot of people get angry with me when I don't play a celebration match now. This has been a tradition of this channel. Whenever I completed something big, I played a celebration match. So there we go. I just did the break. Very simple game, but I will go for a couple of bank shots, obviously. Now, the point of a celebration match is never to win the match, actually. It's just to have fun like this. And I'm gonna pop the purple stripe as well, which is okay. Let us go for, this is the only ball that I can go for. Let me at bottom left spin. Okay, should I go for the yellow ball in the very risky shot? I know this already. Oh, so close. Jakarta was not for celebration. That I know for sure. Now 9-ball pool will... Ooh, that was a stunt shot because it touched the left rail as well first. He has given me the ball in hand. And I'm going to go for this blue. Like this. Sweet shot. I can go for a bank shot again, but it's going to be difficult. The cue ball, I don't know where the cue ball will go. Okay, cue ball does not go in. It is in a bad position because now I cannot pop the purple. These are the consequences when you go for bank shots. And you just gotta accept them. Fluke shot. Ah! This has to be the smoothest fluke. What a nice shot. But I agree, whenever I make a fluke shot, I openly say that it was a fluke. Great stuff. Hey, don't scratch, don't scratch. This game is going very nice. Now it is time for the brown. And we had backspin. Oh my god. I should have used more backspin actually. I don't know how come I misjudged it. I will obviously, by the way, let this player win. I will not steal his coins. He's vain from the States. And let's go for a bank shot, and then I'm going to leave this game. Bye!